Unraveling the mystery of "step on it" in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we decode the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're diving into an exciting and often heard expression, "step on it." If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. "Step on it" is a phrase that's rich in imagery and history. At its core, this expression is a colloquial way to urge someone to go faster or hurry up. The phrase has its roots in early automotive culture, where drivers were literally told to step on the gas pedal to increase speed. But it's not just about cars. This phrase has zoomed its way into everyday English to express urgency in various situations. Using "step on it" is all about the context. It's a casual and somewhat informal expression, often used among friends or in less formal settings. For instance, 1. In a car, the classic scenario. If you're running late and need the driver to hurry, you might say, "Come on, step on it. We're going to be late." 2. In everyday life, it can also be used metaphorically. Imagine you're waiting for a friend to get ready for an event. You might playfully say, "Step on it. We should have left 10 minutes ago." However, remember it's not appropriate for formal or serious situations. It's more of a light-hearted expression. English is full of similar phrases and idioms. Knowing them can enrich your language skills. Some variations include, "Hurry up," a more general way of asking someone to be faster. "Make it snappy," another informal way to ask for speed. "Chop chop," a playful and slightly old-fashioned way to ask someone to hurry. Each of these has its own tone and can be used in slightly different contexts. And that's a wrap on "Step on it." We hope this video has accelerated your understanding of this dynamic phrase. Remember, language learning is a journey. Sometimes you've got to step on the gas, and other times, it's okay to cruise at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe for more language insights. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.